Another day on the bike. Today is London to Brighton with Kostas, a couple of mates. Yeah, really nice day for it. So we should be getting there in the sun for fish and chips at lunch. Marvellous. At the start, everyone's here on our way to Brighton. So I think we're in Merton. First little hill. Where are we? Somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Oh yeah, by some lavender place. So there's a bit of a hill. Upwards. So it appears that we might have taken a wrong turn, or rather Kostas took a wrong turn because we were chatting. So we're slightly geographically embarrassed at the moment, but I think it's this way. Coming through. Yeah, it's good. Pub is that way. Show me the way to go to the pub. I had a little drink about an hour ago, and I want another pint. This is a good downhill bit as well, I think. That's where we're going, if it's open, hopefully. There's a pub here. Refreshment stop. How far are we?
30 miles, I think. 38k.
38k. Okay.
No. This
Well, we'll finish that and then carry on.
I'll put it out to Paul.
Pint done.
There was this humongous branch.
Lovely. Next up, Dexter and Beacon.
On the road.
Go that way, up the hill, down the hill, fish and chips. We are in East Sussex. So, we've had a couple of pints, and now we've got to do Dexter and Beacon. Just want to sit in a beer garden. I'm sure it'll be fine. And so it begins. So 7%, not too bad. Well, it's hot. Good view though that way, if you can see it. Just carries on. Nearly at the top. Don't know where the others are. You can see the crest. Such a good view. 10% incline. Oh, not stopping. 11%. Oh. Lungs are burning. Brighton now. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Brighton. Fish and chips, fish and chips. Fish and chips done.
Let's have a picture.